So in this video, we're going to be looking at the power operation. Alright, so what is the power operation? Now before we go into the power, let's just do a simple multiplication. So if I say, so I have two variables here, a equals to 2, b equals to 4. So if I say print a multiplied by b, okay, so the multiplication is the asterisk sign. So if I say a multiplied by b, I get 8. Alright. Now the power operation is basically the exponent multiplying by the exponent. That means I want to perform 2 to the power of 4. Okay, 2 to the power of 4. Now to do that, I say print a asterisk b. Alright, so it is 2 raised to the power of 4. Okay, and if I run the code now, I'll get 16. Okay, so if I just change the number here maybe to 5, okay, then I will get 2 times 5 is 10 and 2 to the power of 5 is 32. Alright, so the double asterisk, alright, is basically the power operation. Okay, so hope that you have learned something new today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.